Hey guys, Timmer, and I'm here with Jen. Say hi, Jen.
Hi everyone.
And so we are getting ready in case we are able to open up the Makerspace again.
Sounds fun.
Let's do it.
Okay, so first let's start with the library. I want to feel safe when I'm running library shit. So, we've made a few changes.
There we go.
This is me in librarian mode.
Yeah. So what about the Makerspace?
The Makerspace. Okay, the Makerspace is currently in film production mode. Normally, we would have a number of these things. So, imagine one of these at the end of each table.
There we go.
So now, as you see, we have removable screens.
Beautiful.
But one-handed.
Yes. Ah, perfect.